Hello all. So now we are moving to the development of a frustum of a cone. The question you can see in your screen right now. The frustum of a cone 60 mm top diameter, 120 mm bottom diameter and 75 mm high is cut with a through triangular hole of base 75 mm and altitude 45 mm. The base of the hole is 15 mm above the base of the cone and parallel to it draw the development of the frustum showing the shape of the hole on it. Okay. So, the frustum of a cone of 60 mm top diameter and 120 mm bottom diameter and a height of 75 mm and a height of 75 mm. So, first we have to construct the front and top views of the frustum of this cone. Okay. So, in the front view, in the top view you can see two circles and in the front view you can see the one triangle and another triangle is being cut. Okay. So, the top view, this is a circle of 120 mm diameter. Then another circle of 60 mm diameter. And it is given that the height of the frustum is 75. Okay. So, at a height of 75 mm from the base we can draw a line. Okay. See, how can we construct the front view? How can we construct the front view? See, this is the projector through the bottom diameter and this will be the projector through the top diameter. Since this height is 75, this will be the frustum, front view of the frustum. This is the method of constructing the frustum because this height is given as 75. This is 120 and this is 60. So, in the top view we can draw the 120 and 60. Here will be a generator and here will be a projector line and here will be a projector line. And this height is given as 75. So, if we are draw a line parallel to this line at a height of 75, that will intersect this projector line so that we can obtain the height of the frustum. Okay. I hope all of you have understood. Now, extend this line so that we can obtain the height of the original cone of the 120 mm diameter. That will be the apex of the original cone. From that, this 60 mm diameter cone is cut. Now, divide this into 8 equal parts. This is O1, this is O2 and this is O3 dash. A dash, B dash, C dash, D dash, E dash, F dash, G dash and H dash. So, this is the front and top view of the cone. Now, as explained before, we have to calculate theta. Theta is equal to 360 into the radius of the original cone, that is 60, and slant edge of the original cone. This is the slant edge of the original cone. You will obtain a value of around 130 degree. So, we know. So, you know that so we can construct the development of the cone, and from that cone we have to cut this portion, right. So, if you are taking these all points are intersection, while transferring these points to the true length line, in all cases this will be the corresponding length. We have already done, because if you are intersecting with a straight line, a straight portion, while transferring those points to the true length line, this length will be same, which means the intersection will be a curve. So intersection will be an arc having this much radius. So take this radius and draw an arc, which means this portion is the development of the frustum of this cone. I hope all of you have understood. Okay, so now we have completed the top view, front view and the development of the frustum. Now it is given that a triangular hole is being cut, a triangular hole of base 75 and altitude 45 and the base is at a height of 15. So base 75, altitude 45 and the base is at a height of 50. This is given. So we have to draw the triangle on the front view. So at a height of 15, you can draw a triangle. The triangle will be coming like this. The height is 45 and base is 75. Now mark these points as 1 dash, 2 dash, 3 dash, 4 dash, 5 dash, 6 dash and 7 dash. Okay. Now divide this into 8 equal parts. So here A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H and A. So this is the development of the frustum with the full generators. Now you know, transfer onto the true length line, take this distance and mark it on C and G. So this will be 1 and this will be 1. Transfer 2 to the true length line, take this distance and mark it on B and H. So here this will be 2, here also this will be 2. Then transferring all the points 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 all are on the same straight line, so that this distance will be same, so that you can mark 4, 5 and 6, because 4 is lying on B, 5 is lying on C and 6 is lying on D. So on B, C and D you can mark 4, 5 and 6. Similarly in F, G and H you can mark 4, 5 and 6. So this will be the curve. This will be an arc only. Now you can mark 8. 8 and 2 will be on the same straight line. So 8 will be on F and D. So this will be 8 and this will be also 8. So this much portion has been completed. Now what we have to do? We have to locate 3 and 7. Since 3 and 7 are not lying on the generator, we have to draw 2 new generators. Through the endpoint 7, transfer those points to this line, so that we will get a distance like this. From H to A this distance, similarly from B to A this distance. So from B to A mark here, from H to A mark here, we can draw the 2 new generator lines. The same method can be adopted here. Actually it will be coming like this. So take this distance from D to E, from D to E. So a new generator. Similarly from E to F or F to E, this distance. So the new generator. On that line we can mark 3 and 7. This will be 3, this will be 7, this will be 7, this will be 7, this will be. Okay, now you can complete this. You can draw this as a curve like this. You will get a curve like this. So this is the corresponding development. Okay. All these questions are very easy because these all are just a continuation of the previous questions. That's why I explained this in a faster way. Okay. So I hope all of you have understood. Now you have to complete the diameter as 120. It is given, and this diameter as. So this is the way of constructing the development of a frustum. I will explain again. For constructing the development of frustum, here it is given that the base diameter is 120, the bottom diameter is 120, and the top diameter is 60, and the height is 75. So the first thing is we have to draw the top view. Usually, in every sense, we are drawing the top view first, because in the top view you can see the base. So the top view first. So the lower portion and the upper portion. We draw the two circles. Project. It is given that the height is 75. So at a height of 75, draw a horizontal line. This projector line will meet this line at this point. So from that, connect like this. Thus we can obtain the front view of the frustum. So the remaining portions, I hope all of you understood.